yeah, Samurai Saber is nice, very good, especially if you use the hold launcher. But yeah, me having this with just only me here, I cannot really give all of the potential of the hold launcher because I can do some simultaneous launching using this one. So I need something that can hold it, but it doesn't have, yeah, no connection for other launchers. Okay, but yeah, the holder launcher, the hold launcher is really nice because it has this grip, and I really recommend this one. Yeah, because it really has this grip. And if you're using this, try to have gloves also, because yeah, if you're sweating like me, you can't really use it. You can use it, but not on the most highest potential that you can give to the hold launcher. Okay, so yeah, we'll try another video using our hold launcher with other Beyblades. Yeah, let's see what will be the effect of it. Okay, so yeah, for Samurai Saber here, it has a nice gimmick, protruding blades at the side. It's like a dagger, but yeah, it's a samurai, so it's a katana. Yeah. Okay, but it's very nice, man. It's a very nice kind of new Beyblade X, and it's very promising. I think you just need to change this 270 ratchet, but the blade, I like it. I just forget what is L. Yeah, but I like the beat. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit the notification button for our next videos. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off. More Gunpla and Beyblade X content next time here on our channel. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.